So this is the main building of Armory House, and now we're going to go ahead and show you some of the facilities we have in the main building. First, we have our main lounge, which is a great place for students to come and unwind, relax, or socialize with friends. In our corner, we have a couple of tables where students can gather together and eat snacks or do homework with each other. We also have a large flat screen TV with a cable box hooked up, as well as a Blu-ray player, a surround sound system, and a gaming console. We also have a big couch that you can sit on with your friends to watch TV. In our corner over here, we have a ping pong table where you can gather with your friends and play a fun game of ping pong. As well as in this corner over here, we have a piano for those who like to play music. Coming from our student lounge, I'm now going to show you our main kitchen. So our main kitchen is a great place for students who want to come and cook, or if they don't have a mini fridge in their room to store any cold food that they might have. In our student kitchen, we have a stove and oven for all your cooking and baking needs. We have a microwave, a sink for doing your dishes, as well as a large fridge for storing any ingredients or cold food. This is the fitness center that we have here at Armory House. All residents are able to use this fitness center. Here we have a treadmill and an elliptical for all your cardio workouts, as well as many free weights for different training exercises. Here's our study room at Armory House. If you're looking for just a quiet place to study, or if you have a Zoom meeting where you want to be unbothered, this is a great room for you to go to. We have here in the middle a table, we have a desk and a whiteboard, as well as a couple of chairs that you can use to sit comfortably. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the dining hall facility that we have here at Armory House. Students have a choice between 3 meal plans, which are 200, 250, or 300 meals per semester. We serve a variety of different healthy food options that are all farm to table. They come from different cultures as well as suit different dietary needs. We serve lunch and dinner on Monday through Saturday, as well as on Sunday we have a brunch. If you find yourself out and about on campus and unable to make it to Armory House during dining hall hours, we have 2 options for you. One of them is reciprocal dining, where you can use your meal plan at Hendrick House and Newman Hall, as well as a late plate option, where you can pick up your food after normal dining hall hours. Here's the dining area that we have at Armory House. We have a lot of booths and tables, and it's a nice cozy area for you to sit and gather and eat with your friends. Here's the laundry room that we have in the Armory House main building. All of the machines here are free to use by all the residents, and we have 4 washers and 4 dryers. Now we're going to go ahead and show the facilities that we have in our suites building. As you can see, our suites building does have an elevator that will go from the parking garage up to the 5th floor. First, we're going to show you the kitchen that we have in our suites buildings. So we have 2 kitchens located on the 3rd and the 5th floor that are generally used by residents of the suites. Each kitchen comes with a refrigerator and freezer, a stove and oven for cooking and baking, as well as a microwave and a kitchen sink. On each floor of the suites building, we also have a lounge that residents can use. In these lounges, we have a couch, as well as a couple chairs, a TV with cable, and a large table that you can gather with your friends and eat or do homework. Now we're in one of the laundry rooms that we have in the suites building of Armory House. Our laundry facilities are located on the 1st and 2nd floor of the suites building, and each floor has 2 washers and 2 dryers that are free for residents to use. If you choose to bring your car on campus, Armory House also offers parking. We have a parking garage located under our suites building, and access is restricted to residents only. Armory House is also a very secure building. In order to enter, you need either a key or a key fob. Also, we have security cameras located all around the building to ensure the safety of our residents. And those are the facilities that we have in the main building and the suites building.